Hi, welcome to Brushes of Magic. I'm James, and today we're going to be doing this makeup that I did for Halloween, the skull makeup. I was going to film it that day, but I ended up running out of time because I was trying to hurry up and get ready so I could go past candy at my dad's house and scare kids, which I ended up doing. Worked out well. So yeah, if you guys like this makeup and you want to see how I did it, please stick around and watch the tutorial. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is go in with NYX's Jumbo Eye Pencil and Milk. And I'm just going to trace out some of the shapes I'm going to be using to form the skull. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and go in with Ben Nye's Professional Cream Colors in Black. I'm just going to use that to fill in the eyes just to get things started. Now I'm going to go in with some Johnson's Baby Powder that I threw into a sock just to help set the grease paint that I put on just now. I'll be probably doing this step repeatedly throughout the process. I learned that trick from a clown. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with Ben Nye's Clown White, fill in the main portion of the face. Actually, I'm probably going to fill in the whole rest of the face and just go in with the details from there and run it blind. Every single time I do one of these skull makeups, I always end up doing it a little different than I did the last time. Kind of playing it by ear. But yeah, so I'm going to go in with Ben Nye's Clown White, and I'm just going to fill in the main portion of the face now. Alright, now I'm going to go back in with my clown sock. Okay, now I'm going back in with Ben Nye's Professional Cream Colors in Black. I'm going to use a thinner brush this time, and do some more details, and then I'm probably going to dust my face again. Clown sock again. Now we're going to use NYX's Primal colors in Hot Black. I'm going to use that for shading and shadowing in different places strategically around the face. Just watch. So I'm going to go ahead and go use this spray color in my hair. Most of my hair is going to be covered up by this bandana anyways, but it's just going to help blend it in with the rest of the costume. I'll be right back. Now I'm just going to go ahead and go in with some water. I'm going to mist my face. It'll help bring out some of those blacks that I powdered with the talcum powder. Now we're just going to let that dry. I think maybe I overpowdered, so perhaps in the future, if I filled in more of the black outline before I decide to go and powder, it might be a good idea. You can powder twice and maybe not knock so much onto my face. That might have helped too. Live and learn. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and go in with CoverGirl's Perfect Blend Classic Eye Pencil and Basic Black. I'm going to use that to line my waterline. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with Maybelline's Full and Soft Waterproof Mascara and Very Black. I went ahead and threw on my bandana just to take care of that, get that out of the way. Now I'm going to use NYX's Liquid Suede and Alien. So I'm going to go ahead and go back in with Ben Nye's Clown White again. I'm going to add that to some of my beard. Also, I wanted to mention that I only filled in a portion of my lips with the Liquid Suede because I'm going to be using the Clown White to make teeth, and I'm also going to go in with the Creme makeup to separate the teeth. We're only trying to thread it through the hair, not completely saturate it. I'm using a shadow brush to hollow out portions of my cheek using the NYX's Primal colors in Hot Black. I'm also using the same color with a powder brush to stipple onto my ears just to darken those out. Doesn't have to be completely black, just trying to camouflage it a bit. Now, against my own better judgment, I'm going to go back in over my neck with the Midnight Cream color in black. I'm just going to fill my neck in with it. And then I'm going to powder it again with the baby powder. And pray. Okay, now I'm going to go back in with the Midnight Clown White, and I'm going to use that to add some teeth and a couple of vague neck vertebrae. At this point, I'm going to be using Ben Nye's Professional Cream Colors in black, and I'm using that just to go ahead and line the spaces in between my teeth. Now I'm using a brush to apply Johnson's baby powder to the teeth and the spaces in between to set it. So I'm just going to go ahead and throw on my hat. Already got my coat on, and that'll be it. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, products that I use will be listed down below, as well as all the links to all my social media pages. Let me know if you like this kind of look, and yeah, tell me what you think of it. So if you guys have any suggestions or any ideas for any videos for future upcomings, go ahead and throw me your ideas and stuff like that, and I'll make a list of products I'll need and so on and so forth, and start picking them off, and hopefully be able to shoot some of these things out real quick. But probably not, but I'm gonna make that effort anyways. Whole new year coming up here. I'm gonna make another effort at this thing again because I actually really enjoy doing this. So don't forget, if you haven't already, hit that like button and leave me a comment. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Also, if you guys want to ring that bell for notifications, it helps make sure you guys know when I actually fucking post a video. Yeah, my most recent video will be right down below me if you guys want to see more. Also, a video that I guess YouTube thinks you might like will be posted over there, as well as a button for you guys to go ahead and hit and subscribe. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and hope to see you again next time. Bye.